Okay, we have a Toyota Tundra 2013. We went ahead and given the Excalibur 1670. One beep locks your doors. The blue light is going to be flashing in the top. To unlock it, you're going to hit unlock. That will disable the alarm. Unlock all the doors. Okay. Remote start. Press the button. Truck will crank right up. Okay. Truck is running. All right. If you wish not to go anywhere, you can close the door and hit lock. That will lock all the doors. When you get ready to go out, you can hit unlock. It unlocks the doors. What you do, don't push the foot on the brake because that shuts off the system. Somebody gets in, they push the foot on the brake, that will shut off the truck. What you do is just turn the key all the way in the ignition forward. Once you put the car in drive, and then you don't have no issues. Okay? Then turn off the truck, and that will disable everything. Otherwise, if somebody gets in and pushes the foot on the brake, that will shut off the remote start. It's got another feature too. Let's say you drive up somewhere and you want to turn off, you want to leave the truck running and you want to take the keys with you for any reason. You press this button twice, 1, 2. Okay, now you can remove the key and the truck stays running. That's a pit stop in case you need to go inside somewhere and grab a drink or whatnot and you don't want to leave the truck off. Okay, if somebody jumps in again, they press the button, that will shut off the system. What triggers the alarm? Panic button. If you hold the lock down and she's holding it down, that's a panic. You can fire the alarm off. Okay, if the alarm is on and somebody opens any of the doors, of course it's going to fire off the alarm. It has a starter kill, so you can't start the vehicle. Somebody bangs on the window, the alarm will fire off. Shut it off. He didn't want it too sensitive, so we went ahead and didn't adjust the shock sensor so sensitive. But we can have it almost as if you lightly bang on the window, will fire off. But that's going to be you know, you're going to get some false triggers. This guy doesn't want any false triggers, so we toned it down on the shock sensor. Somebody opens any of the doors, it will fire off the alarm. Okay. Car won't start. Kills the starter. If you shut off the alarm, car will crank right up. Okay, this alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. This is the Excalibur 1670. Yes, it does come with 2 remote controls, and it does have the protocols, the plug-in aside, so you can plug in the linker unit. So if you wish to have the app that you can arm and disarm it, remote start it virtually anywhere in the world. It has GPS. That's an add-on feature that you can add to this alarm, and you can receive the alerts when the alarm fires off. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you. We do, yes, and we do have free mobile service.